Imagine being able to control your dreams, exploring your deepest desires, facing your fears head-on, or creating entire worlds out of thin air. Now picture doing that every single night. Lucid dreaming gives you the power to not just dream, but to create, explore, and transform the reality of your mind. What would you do if you knew you were dreaming? Would you fly? Would you meet someone from your past? Or would you explore worlds that only your imagination can build? In today's video, we'll take you on a journey through everything you need to know to master lucid dreaming. Whether you're a beginner or have dabbled before, this guide will give you a step-by-step blueprint to unlock the hidden powers of your subconscious and take full control of your dreams. Lucid dreaming isn't just fun. It can enhance your creativity, help you overcome personal fears, and even give you a playground to explore parts of yourself you've never seen. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to start your lucid dream journey tonight. Let's start with the basics. What is lucid dreaming? It's when you become aware that you're dreaming while still asleep, and that awareness allows you to take control of your dream. You're not just a passive observer, you're an active participant. Imagine realizing you're in a dream and deciding, "I'm going to fly now," and then suddenly soaring into the clouds. Lucid dreaming has been around for centuries and documented in ancient cultures, from Tibetan monks practicing dream yoga to Native American shamans using dreams as a gateway to the spirit world. Fast forward to today, scientists are fascinated by lucid dreams. Research shows it's not just a fun party trick, but a valuable tool for self-improvement, problem-solving, and emotional healing. Think of lucid dreaming as the ultimate self-discovery tool. Studies have shown that lucid dreamers can rehearse real-life challenges in their dreams and improve their waking performance. Imagine being able to confront social anxiety or practice a difficult conversation with someone from the safety of your own dream. So, what does it feel like? Picture this: you're dreaming, walking down a street, and something feels off. Maybe the sky is purple or people are floating instead of walking. Suddenly you realize, wait, I'm dreaming. And that's when the magic happens. You become the creator of your own reality. The question is, what will you do with that power? One of the first steps to becoming a lucid dreamer is learning how to recognize when you're dreaming. And that's where reality checks come in. A reality check is a simple action you perform throughout your day to determine whether you're awake or dreaming. The more you do these checks in waking life, the more likely they'll carry over into your dream world and make you realize when you're dreaming. Let's dive into a few tried and true reality checks that can easily fit into your daily routine. The clock. Check. Look at a clock, then look away and check it again. In a dream, the time often changes dramatically or displays nonsensical digits. Practice this every time you glance at the clock during the day. Eventually you'll do it in a dream and notice something strange, triggering your awareness. The mirror test. In dreams, reflections often appear distorted or unclear. Get into the habit of checking yourself in mirrors throughout the day. Look closely. In a dream, your reflection might shift or become blurry, a clear signal that you're dreaming. Counting your fingers. Hands are tricky in dreams. Try counting your fingers throughout the day. In a dream, you might see extra fingers or even missing ones. By making this a habit, you'll learn to spot the dream inconsistencies. The hand through solid object test. In a dream, the laws of physics don't apply. Try pushing your hand through a solid object, like a wall or table. In waking life, nothing will happen. But in a dream, you might be able to pass right through it, instantly signaling to you that you're dreaming. The key is to incorporate these checks into your daily routine. The more frequently you do them in waking life, the more likely you'll perform them in a dream, making it easier to trigger lucidity. Here's a pro tip: pair reality checks with moments when something feels odd or surreal, like when you experience déjà vu, hear your name in a crowd, or catch a glimpse of something out of the ordinary. These moments often carry over into your dream life, and recognizing them is the gateway to awareness. Dream journaling is your key to unlocking the deepest parts of your subconscious. It's not just a record of your dreams, it's a tool to train your mind to remember dreams more vividly and, eventually, recognize patterns that can lead to lucid dreams. Here's how to get started. Keep a journal beside your bed. As soon as you wake up, grab the journal and jot down every detail you can remember, no matter how small. Don't worry about making sense of it, just get it down. Over time, your ability to recall dreams will improve, and you'll start remembering longer, more detailed dreams. Write immediately upon waking. This is crucial. Dreams fade fast, so don't wait. Capture the colors, feelings, symbols, and any people you interacted with. Even fragments are important because they can reveal dream signs, recurring themes or patterns that can trigger lucidity. Track recurring themes. As you continue journaling, you'll start to notice familiar dream elements that appear over and over again. These are called dream signs. Maybe you always dream of flying or being in a specific location. Once you spot these patterns, they become your gateway to realizing you're dreaming. Next time you see that flying sequence or strange location, you'll know, this is a dream. Set your intentions before sleep. Right before bed, tell yourself, tonight, I will remember my dreams. This simple affirmation primes your mind to be more aware and helps boost dream recall. Dream journaling is one of the most rewarding practices you can adopt. Not only does it help you on your path to lucid dreaming, but it also offers deep insight into your subconscious mind. Your journal will become your map to uncovering hidden emotions, fears, and desires. Here's a challenge. After a week of dream journaling, look back over your entries and highlight any recurring themes. These dream signs are the keys to unlocking lucidity. Visualization and meditation are two powerful techniques that can prime your mind for lucid dreaming. They both help you focus and clear your mind, which is essential for achieving lucidity. Let's start with visualization. Every night before bed, spend 5 to 10 minutes visualizing yourself becoming aware in a dream. Picture a scenario where you suddenly realize you're dreaming. Maybe you're walking through a forest, and you realize the trees are glowing. You stop and think, this must be a dream. Now, imagine taking control, flying up into the sky or shaping the environment around you. The more detailed your visualization, the more likely it is to manifest in your actual dream. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, and feel? The more vivid, the more effective. Now, on to meditation. Meditation helps to calm your mind and make you more present. Practicing mindfulness during the day increases your awareness in dreams, making it easier to recognize when you're in one. Here's a quick meditation exercise you can use before bed. Sit or lie down in a quiet space. Focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. As you breathe, imagine yourself drifting into a dream. Visualize the moment when you'll realize you're dreaming. Repeat a mantra like, I am aware in my dreams, to set your intention. This combination of visualization and meditation is one of the most powerful tools you can use to sharpen your awareness and prepare yourself for lucid dreams. Now that you've laid the foundation, let's dive into the core techniques for inducing lucid dreams. These methods have been tried and tested by countless lucid dreamers around the world. Mnemonic induction of lucid dreams, mild. This technique involves repeating a simple affirmation to yourself as you fall asleep, like, tonight, I will realize I'm dreaming. You're planting a seed in your subconscious that makes it more likely you'll become aware in your dream. This is especially effective when paired with dream journaling and reality checks. Wake-induced lucid dream, wild. This is an advanced technique where you keep your mind awake while your body falls asleep. You'll lie still and focus on your breathing as your body drifts off. Eventually, you'll enter a dream while remaining fully conscious. It takes practice, but once you master wild, you can enter a lucid dream at will. Dream-initiated lucid dream, DILD. This is the most common form of lucid dreaming, where you realize you're dreaming within the dream itself. DILD often happens spontaneously, but you can improve your chances by performing reality checks and recognizing dream signs. Pro tip: the combination of mild and wild can boost your chances of success. Set an intention with mild and practice wild as you drift off. These techniques can work together to help you become aware of your dreams faster. Remember, like any skill, lucid dreaming requires practice. Don't get discouraged if you don't achieve lucidity right away. Experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you. The more consistent you are, the more frequent and vivid your lucid dreams will become. You've now learned the key techniques for mastering lucid dreaming, from reality checks and dream journaling to visualization and advanced methods like mild and wild. You're ready to start your journey into the fascinating world of lucid dreaming. Remember, lucid dreaming isn't just about having fun. It's a powerful tool for self-improvement, creativity, and mental mastery. Whether you want to explore fantastical dreamscapes or face personal challenges, lucid dreaming offers endless possibilities. Start by incorporating reality checks into your daily routine, keep a dream journal, and practice visualization and meditation before bed. Experiment with the techniques we discussed and give yourself time. Lucid dreaming is a skill that improves with practice, and the more you practice, the more vivid and transformative your dreams will become. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content on lucid dreaming, mindfulness, and mental mastery. And if you're excited to try lucid dreaming tonight, give this video a like. It helps more people discover these amazing techniques. We'd love to hear from you. Have you ever had a lucid dream? What would you do if you could control your dreams? Drop your experiences in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation about the power of lucid dreaming. Your dreams are waiting for you to take control. Start exploring them tonight.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Join Think Wiser for more wisdom and insights to elevate your life.